Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to meet you. ¡Mua! ¿Cómo están a todos los nenes y a todas las nenas? Les mando un beso enorme desde la distancia y es I am at home. Can you see? Yo estoy en casa, ustedes también me imagino, ¿no? Hasta que podamos salir nos tenemos que quedar at home with all the family, con toda la familia, ¿ok? And como estamos hablando de la family, do you remember that we have seen the members of the family? ¿Se acuerdan que estuvimos viendo los miembros de la family, ok? We have mom, dad, brother, sister, un montón más, ok? ¿Se los acuerdan? Me imagino que sí, porque son unos nenes súper inteligentes. Aparte, lo venimos viendo hace tiempo y también me llegan sus trabajitos hermosos. Y sé que están trabajando un montón, ¿ok? Bien, hoy hice este video, this is the second video que estamos haciendo. Este es el segundo video, para que nos podamos acordar un poquito mejor de los members of the family, de los miembros de la family, y ustedes se los acuerden bien, ¿ok? Do you want to start? ¿Quieren empezar? Ok, let's begin. Vamos a empezar. What is this? What is this? This is mom, ok? Do you remember mom? Yes, vamos a hacer mom, okay? With your thumb, yes, con su pulgar. Mom, okay? This is mom. ¿Cómo es? This is mom. Very good, excellent. This is mom. Yes, repeat after me, repitan conmigo. This is mom, excellent. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. This is dad, okay? This is dad. And we are going to do with this finger. This is mommy. This is mommy. This is dad. This is dad. Excellent. Very good. So, who's this? Who's this? This is dad. Excellent. Very good. Let's continue. Who's this? Who's this? This is brother, okay? Brother. Excellent. Brother. How is it? ¿Cómo es? This is brother, okay? Brother. Excellent. So, this is mom. Yes, with your thumb, con su dedo pulgar. This is dad. Excellent. And with this finger, yes, con este dedo, this is brother, okay? Excellent. Very good. So, this is mom. Sing, come on, cantemos. This is mom. This is dad. And this is brother. Very good. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Who's this? She's eating an ice cream. Se está comiendo un helado. I love ice cream. Do you love it? ¿Les gusta? También lo pueden dejar en los comentarios. Who's this? This is sister, okay? How is it? Sister, okay? This is sister. Excellent. This is sister. So, this is mom. This is dad. This is brother. And with this finger, this is sister. This is sister. Very good. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Who's this? Who's this? This is baby, okay? This is baby. How is it? ¿Cómo es? This is baby. Yes? Baby. So, we are going to, hacemos así with our hand. This is mom. This is dad. This is brother. This is sister. And with your last finger, con el último dedo, this is baby. One more time, una vez más. This is mom. This is dad. This is brother. This is sister. This is baby. Very good. Muy bien, ¿cómo saben estos nenes que son super intelligent? Son muy inteligentes ustedes. Y también hoy vamos a aprender unas new words, unas palabritas nuevas para que ustedes sepan más sobre los members of the family, ¿ok? Yes, sobre los miembros de la familia. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Who's this? Who's this? This is grandma, okay? How is it? This is grandma, okay? This is grandma. Excellent. So, we are going to do this with our hands. Vamos a hacer esto con las manos. And we are going to sing. Vamos a cantar. This is mom. This is dad. This is brother. This is sister. This is baby. This is grandma, okay? With your other thumb, okay? Con el otro pulgar, okay? One more time, una vez más. This is mom. This is dad. This is brother. This is sister. This is baby. This is grandma. Very good. Excellent. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Who's this? Who's this? This is grandpa, okay? This is grandpa, okay? No confundan con grandma. This is grandpa, okay? Grandpa. Very good. How is it? ¿Cómo es? This is grandpa. Excellent. So we are going to sing. Cantemos. This is mom. This is dad. This is brother. This is sister. This is baby. This is grandma. This is grandpa. Okay, very good. You're with your second finger. Con el segundo dedito, okay? Using your two hands. Usando las dos manos, okay? Because we are counting a lot of members of family. Estamos contando un montón de los miembros de familia, okay? Very good. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. And they are very important. Who are these? ¿Quiénes son ellos? These are pets, okay? Pets are mascotas, okay? Do you have a pet? What kind of pet? ¿Tienen alguna mascota? ¿Qué tipo? Do you have a dog? This is a dog. How is it? This is a dog. Very good. And what does a dog say? ¿Qué dice un dog? Very good. Entonces también pueden dejar en los comentarios if you have a dog. Si tienen un dog. And this is a cat, okay? What does a cat do? ¿Qué hace un cat? Meow, meow. Very good. This is a cat. Excellent. Very good. Okay? So these are pets, okay? Estas son las mascotas, okay? So we are going to sing. This is mom. This is dad. This is brother. This is sister. This is baby. This is grandma. This is grandpa. These are pets. Very good, okay? Con la second hand, acuérdense. This is grandma. This is grandpa. These are pets, okay? Very good. Excellent. Let's continue, yes? Vamos a continuar. And here we have mom, yes? Tenemos a mom de un lado y a dad del otro, okay? And ellos dos, together, mom and dad, los dos juntos son parents, okay? Parents son papás, okay? These are parents. How is it? These are parents. Una vez más, these are parents. Okay, remember, acuérdense. This is dad and this is mom. Este es papá and this is mom, yes? Pero juntos, these are parents, okay? Ellos son papás, yes? Very good. The two together, los dos juntos, okay? So, these are parents. Acuérdense, yes? Very good. So, let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Oh, and here we have brother, okay, excellent. This is brother. And this is sister. Esta es sister. Se están agarrando las hands, okay, porque ellos son bien unidos. Les gusta, they play together. Ellos juegan juntos porque les encanta compartir muchísimas cosas. Los juguetes. Y también comparten, por ejemplo, la comida, ¿sí? Se comparten el uno con el otro. Very good, porque eso hacen los good siblings, okay? Son siblings, okay? Very good. These are siblings. How is it? ¿Cómo es? These are siblings. Los two hermanos together, los dos hermanos juntos, brother and sister, la hermana y el hermano. These are siblings, okay? Son hermanos. One more time, una vez más. These are siblings. Excellent. These are siblings, okay? Excellent. Very good. Let's continue. Vamos a continuar. ¿Quiénes son ellos? Who are these? ¿Quiénes son? This is grandpa, okay? Very good. This is grandpa. And this is grandma, okay? Y juntos son abuelos, okay? How do you say abuelos in English? ¿Cómo dicen abuelos en inglés? These are grandparents, okay? These are grandparents. How is it? ¿Cómo es? Grandparents, okay? One more time, una vez más. These are grandparents. Very good. Excellent. So, this is grandpa. This is grandma. Este es abuelo, abuela, and together, y los dos juntos, these are grandparents. Excellent. Very good. And we are going to see the last image. Vamos a ver la última imagen. And here we have the whole family. Yes, we have a family. Yes, esta es la family. How is it? This is a family, okay? This is a family. One more time. This is a family, okay? Excellent. Toda la familia completa, yes? They are together. Ellos están juntos because they love each other. Ellos se quieren y se aman mucho, okay? Very good. So, we are going to revise them one more time. Los vamos a repasar. Who's this? This is brother. Excellent. Who's this? This is his sister. Excellent. Who's this? This is dad. Excellent. Who's this? This is mom. Excellent. Who's this? This is baby. Okay, very good. Who's this? This is grandma. Very good. You are super intelligent. Son super inteligentes. Who's this? This is grandpa. Very good. Who's this? This is a cat. A cat. Yes, meow. Very good. Who's this? This is a dog. Rar, rar, rar. Very good. And this is a family. This is a family. Es una family completa. Okay? Very good. Now, vamos a volver. Who are these? ¿Se acuerdan? That this is grandpa and this is grandma. But the two together, los dos juntos, these are grandparents. Yes, very good. Who are these? ¿Quiénes son ellos? This is brother and this is sister. But the two together, los dos juntos, these are siblings, okay? Siblings. It's a difficult word. Es una palabra difícil, but these are siblings. Very good. And here we have, these are parents, okay? Son los papás. This is dad and this is mom. But the two together, los dos juntos, these are parents, okay? Very good. Vamos, now we are going to sing the song one more time. Vamos a cantar la canción una vez más. This is mom, this is dad, this is brother, this is sister, this is baby, this is grandma, this is grandpa, and these are pets. Very good. We have 8 members of the family. Tenemos los 8 miembros de la familia, okay? And now we have finished the second video. Terminamos el segundo video. Espero que les haya gustado para que puedan remember the members of the family, para que puedan acordarse bien los miembros de la familia, ya que next week, la semana que viene, vamos a empezar con un tema nuevo, ¿ok? Vamos a ver nuevas cosas, muchas cosas más, vamos a jugar, vamos a divertirnos y vamos a hacer muchas más cosas, ¿ok? Y divertirnos como si estuviéramos en la classroom, como si estuviéramos en el aula. Así que, ¡mua! I send you a big kiss. Les mando un beso enorme. Les mando también a toda la family que nos están viendo, que yo sé que es difícil estos tiempos con mucha tarea, pero siempre están del otro lado acompañándonos. Así que, ¡mua! Hope you like this video. Espero que les gusten. Les mando un beso enorme. Bye bye.